To monitor the Bill.com API SDK, start by understanding the basics of the API and its integration with your system. The Bill.com API SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to access and manage billing data, making it easier to automate tasks and streamline financial operations. First, ensure you have the necessary credentials to access the API, including a username, password, and API key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests and ensure secure data transmission. Next, choose a programming language and framework to work with the API. The Bill.com API SDK supports multiple languages, including Java, Python, and C#. Select the language that best fits your development needs and goals. Once you have set up your development environment, you can begin making API calls to retrieve and manipulate billing data. Use the API documentation to explore available endpoints and parameters, and to learn how to construct and send API requests. To monitor the API, use logging and debugging tools to track API requests and responses. This will help you identify any errors or issues that may arise during the integration process. You can also use tools like Postman or curl to test and verify API endpoints. In addition to logging and debugging, implement error handling and exception handling mechanisms to catch and resolve any issues that may occur during API execution. This will help prevent data corruption and ensure seamless integration with your system. Best practices for monitoring the Bill.com API SDK include regularly reviewing API logs and error reports, testing and verifying API endpoints, and optimizing API performance for improved efficiency and reliability. By following these best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful integration of the Bill.com API SDK with your system. Finally, stay up to date with the latest API updates and releases, and take advantage of Bill.com support resources, including documentation, forums, and customer support. By doing so, you can ensure you have the latest information and assistance needed to effectively monitor and maintain the Bill.com API SDK.